Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 1Password account. And all you have to do is head over to 1Password.com, and in the upper right, you get a 14 days free trial. And all you have to do is click and get passwords. So what is 1Password? 1Password allows you to store your password securely, and you have quick access that you can go ahead and access those passwords, right? You may be using Google Password Manager or whichever password manager you have in your browser to store password, but 1Password gives you much more than that. And to get started to create an account, you can quickly click and get started for free in the upper right hand side. You will also find a link within the description of this video. You can quickly create your account. That link is an affiliate link. And so if you so desire to upgrade at any point in time, you can go ahead and use the link. Now, as I mentioned, you can go ahead and you can get started for absolutely free by creating your free account. You get 14 days free trial, and so you can choose to, let's say, start monthly, and if you don't want to pay annually. So I'm going to choose monthly here, and because I want to show you as much as possible, I'm going to go ahead and choose the family's account so that I can show you a bit more instead of the individual account. So let's get started by creating our account. So I'm going to say try the family's plan for 14 days. And here you can see it's going to require me to add the extension. We can add the extension now or later. I'm going to go ahead and say add the extension now, which is going to open up the Chrome web store. If you're using Google Chrome or if you're using another browser, you can simply click and add. And it's going to go ahead and add the 1Password to your browser. As you can see, it is there. Now it's currently adding the 1Password to my browser for me. And the reason why we're seeing that it's loading, it's because it's currently adding it. And as you can see right now, it's added, so it downloads it and it adds it in. And so 1Password is added to my browser. Now we need to go ahead and create an account. And so we want to go ahead and type our name. I'm going to go ahead and type my name here. And I'm going to use this email address right here. And for getting emails, I will just leave that unchecked and click on next. Here, it's going to send me a verification code to my email. And so I'm going to quickly access my email for that verification code. And here you can see that I received the password. And guys, I also want to mention that if you're not able to find the verification code in your inbox or your updates, as you can see, I have the primary, the promotion, the social, and the updates. If you're not able to find the verification code here, I recommend that you go to your spam, because that's where I found a 6-digit code. And I'm going to copy the verification code here and now head back over to 1Password, where I can enter that code and click on next. And so as you can see, I have entered that. I'm going to click on next again. Here we need to create a password. So I'm going to create a password really quick. Then I'm going to create my account. As you can see, that is there. And so the stage now is to generate my secret key. And I'm going to quickly generate my secret key. Here you can see that the secret key is there, and I'm going to save this PDF. I recommend that you do the same, because that's going to help you later on when you're going to do it, and you'll receive a PDF document with your security key. And so you will need your security key at a later point in time. Now we have that. I'm going to click on next. And here it's going to require us to add our method of payment. For the purpose of security, I'm going to go ahead and add this in privately. Now, as you can see now, I'm in this section where I'm on my home page of 1Password. And right here, you can see at the top of the home that it says that I have 14 days free trial, and I will need to add my payment method to basically pay at the time once this 14-day trial is expired. But this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, I currently have the family plan, and I'll be using this family plan with a 14-day free trial to show you how everything works, so that you'll have the full knowledge on how to work with 1Password if you ever so desire required to upgrade to whichever plan you need to. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. That's how you can easily create a 1Password account. Now all you have to do is follow the steps as I showed you before. You'll have this screen where you need to enter your payment details. I realize that you don't necessarily have to make that obligation right away, But if you so desire want to upgrade, you will be able to use the free trial that is given to you, and then you can always go to the billing section and you can enter your payment details and subscribe to a plan or even a different plan that you desire. You have the plan here. Normally it shows you the plan that you currently have to subscribe to make the payment, or you can even switch to another plan. As you can see here, it shows a different plan and you can make that payment of a different plan. This is more like a downgrade to a lower version of the payment plans that they have or their subscription that they have, but you see what you get and you can choose how you want to. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. You can find a link in the description of this video as well, and I'm looking forward to see you in future videos.